Tech giant says working from home was history, but there are a lot of things that they are planning for. Welcome to Stock Market Institute Market Wrap Up. This is Kishore here. The markets had a more or less flat day. Sensex went up by 6 points and the same closed at 6,718 points. Nifty went up by 32 points and the same closed at 18,108 points. Metal as well as the PSU banks were the ones which dragged the market. At the same time, the big news for the day, Policybazaar, the parent company PB Fintech got listed today at 17.35% premium, wherein the issue price was 980 and the same got listed at 1150. The high that this stock touched was 1248.90 and the closing was 1202. Seems to be a good one. Let's wait and watch how it will do. It should not become like Nykaa. However, Nykaa, because of the quarterly results, has gone down, so it's time and opportunity for you to pick it up. The big news for the day, LIC is firmly on the course of IPO. Listing by March 2022 is what the chairman, Mr. Kumar, says. So that's again one of the biggest IPO in Indian history, is what everybody is expecting it to be. Let's wait and see how this would do. As I told you, this is with regard to Ashok Leyland. Ashok Leyland is in talks with few of the investors to raise money for the EV business, wherein everybody is getting into electric vehicles. So Ashok Leyland also is planning to get into it. So this particular thing will help them to put in a lot of money towards coming into a new place and putting in a lot of efforts there. As I told you, TCS is one of the IT companies who says that their employees have to come back to their offices. Today is the reporting day. And they have something called as 2025 model, which they are planning to implement. And this is the start of it, wherein till 2025, they want to bring in a hybrid model wherein 25% of their workforce would be working in their office on any given day. So there will be like 2 days working in a week and rest of the days will be working from home, leaving the holidays and other things. So let's wait and see how successful this would turn out to be. And Pet Puja, which is again a restaurant management software, raises 4.5 million, which is the Series B round, and the same they will be using to open 1.5 lakh outlets across different markets where they are serving in next 2 years. Top gainer for the day is Power Grid, which went up by 3.46% and the same closed at 188 rupee 30 paise. Top loser for the day is Coal India, which went down by 4.31% and the same closed at 156 rupees 75 paise. As we are talking, gold has gone down by 8 rupees and the same is right now trading at 49,306 rupees. Silver has gone down by 82 rupees and the same is right now trading at 67,062 rupees. USD has gone up by 8 paise and the same is right now trading at 74 rupee 45 paise. Euro has gone up by 18 paise and the same is right now trading at 85 rupee 26 paise. There is no change in petrol and diesel prices, but however, international crude oil prices are going down thanks to the uncertainty and the fall in Chinese economy because of COVID, Delta variant been hitting them. Crude as such has gone down by 63 and the same is right now trading at 5,952. The market does not give us clear indication whether the market will go up tomorrow or not because of a lot of weakness in global scenario and a lot of other countries putting in a lot of efforts towards getting their population vaccinated and other things. So let's wait and see how the global market would function, based upon which we will get to know what will be the direction for the markets tomorrow. However, it's opportunity for you to look at companies which are fundamentally very good. For example, Tata Motors, TCS, Tech Mahindra, and a lot of FMCG companies which would be doing great in future days. With this, we come to the end of today's market wrap. Do like and subscribe the channel and share the videos amongst your friends so more people can get to learn, and of course it can lead to earning. Have a great day. Take care. See ya.